The first step towards fixing a problem is identifying it. And in cybersecurity, identifying a problem is often a job in and of itself. As an example, have you ever heard of a computer virus? Of course you have. How about a worm? Now, can you identify the difference between the two? Both worms and viruses are malware, which is another word for malicious code, or can be defined as malicious code. Programmers have developed many beneficial programs, but some have made programs that are designed to disrupt people's lives by preventing access to their files or even just destroying them outright. And some malicious code even allows your computer to be used to negatively impact other people's systems. And we'll talk about that at another time. Viruses are self-replicating, meaning that the malicious code can actually replicate itself, but it requires what's called a host application. I'll give you an example. You may have a legitimate program on your computer like Microsoft Word. That can be a host because the virus itself may be contained in a Word document. So when you open the document, you may execute a macro. A macro is a little program that improves Word's functionality at times, but someone may have designed one to do something else, something more nefarious. So in this case, the host application is Microsoft Word, and the virus was embedded in a doc. It's just waiting for someone to open the document. So a virus requires some action to get started. It needs our help. That's why we tend to be concerned about opening attachments that we're a bit suspicious about, such as attachments that have .exe at the end. Those are executable files. They're often not sent via email, particularly in a workplace. Sometimes they're fine, but it could be that if we were to execute or open that attachment, it could launch a virus and has done so many times.